How to fix you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix if WhatsApp says that you need official WhatsApp to use this account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sadly, sometimes for some users, when they open and try to log into their WhatsApp account, it shows that they need the official WhatsApp to use the account. Now let me tell you a couple of reasons why this happens. First is, if you're using the unofficial version of WhatsApp, then there is no fix for you. You have to use the official version by going to your respective Play Store or your App Store, searching for WhatsApp, and then installing the Play Store version or the official version of WhatsApp. Second, even if you're using the official WhatsApp app and you're having this issue, it could most likely be that you're using a custom software or a custom ROM. Now usually if you are using a custom ROM, I'm pretty sure if you got this issue what that basically means, but if you're using any sort of ROMs other than the official software that your company or your phone gave you, then that's when you are going to face this issue. Now alternatively, you can actually try to use WhatsApp Business, because sometimes WhatsApp Business will not have the issue that you face on the normal WhatsApp application. So alternatively, you can try to use this, otherwise you just have to revert to the stock software. So hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.